What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a pin curl bun. So if you like to see how it's done, keep on watching. First thing we're going to do is separate some hair, alright? So we have a ponytail here. We're going to take some hair out. Alright, we're just going to take a little bit, just like this. Just enough to create a small bun. So just a quick tip. When you are separating your hair from your bun, try and pick like the shortest locks out of the ponytail to create this portion here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a rubber band on here. Just like so. Now the next thing I'm going to do is basically take the hair that I've separated and I'm going to wrap it around, okay, the base of the bun. I'm going to try and make it as flat as possible or just as neat, you know. Wrap it around, just like so. Okay. Just like that. Creating a bun. Add a pin, okay, just to secure it. Add a pin here. Alright. Also going to add a pin here. Just to secure this small bun. Okay. Just like so. So, to create pin curls, what you're going to do is separate some hair. Okay. Just like so, a little bit. Alright, and we're going to use a rubber band. As you can see, there's a lock here that's really short, but don't worry about it. We're not going to take it out of this section. We're just going to come up to about here, where the next shortest lock is, and we're going to put a rubber band on there. I'm using clear rubber bands because the hair on this mannequin is red. Okay. And that small one, we're just going to loop it into the pin curl. Once we take a little portion of hair, we put the rubber band on it to make it easier to keep the pin curl together. And we're going to start rolling from the very tip. We're going to take the tip and put it inside on the inner portion. And we're just going to roll this just like so. That on the inner portion. I'm just going to roll it. Okay, just like so. Any stragglers like this, you can just roll them in. Just continue to roll. Okay, and once we roll, we can just place that pin curl right there where we want it to be. We're going to take a pin. Now I'm going to stick my pin on the inner portion of this pin curl. Just like so. I don't want my pins to be visible. So, or should I say less visible as possible. See, I put one pin and it's already holding in place. Using the rubber bands help you to use less pins, okay? It keeps the hair together. I know that the reflection of the light is on this rubber band. That's why you can see it really well. But without it, it's just clear and you can barely see it because the hair is red and the rubber band is clear. Okay, alright, so put a rubber band at the bottom, just like so. One pin curl done. So doing the small bun at the bottom just gives us a place to put our pin curls, as you can see. So we're going to continue here. Put the rubber band at the end. You want to try and put it as close to the end as possible. Remember, the ends get tucked in, okay? Get tucked in, alright, and then we roll. Just like so. Tucking the loose ends in. Just rolling it up. Okay. Then we just place the pin curl where we want it to be. Alright. And we are going to secure our pin curl. Just like so. One on that side, just like so. We're just going to secure here at the bottom. Okay, there we have it. Pin curl number 2. We're going to continue. Show you how to do some more. And this is just our little bun that we made. Okay, so we're going to take some hair right here. And we're going to do what I said. Come down to the end, as you can see. Put it to closest to the end as you possibly can. We're going to secure it with a rubber band. We roll. Remember, the ends go in. Remember, the ends go in. Just like so. Roll it, place your pin curl where you want it to be, just like so. We're going to hold it with our thumb. Take our pins in, just secure it, just like so. One more. Okay, and again, using a rubber band just helps to keep your pin curls together, as well as using less pins to secure your pin curl. As you can see, I haven't used many pins to secure these pin curls. So that's pin curl number 3. This part of the video is where I explain to you guys that my camera died during the filming of this video. However, the lock styling technique that I showed you here is the same and very repetitive. I added 4 more pin curls to complete this pin curl bun, 2 on the sides and 2 on the top, which gives us this beautiful pin curl bun that you are looking at right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. Share this video with all your friends and family with locks. Any locticians you know seeking lock styling inspiration. If you're a loctician and you're learning a lot from me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Link in the description. Comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I ride with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.